Hello everyone. I got a problem probably as many others. The hot air coming only on the windscreen. From the other areas is just coming warm, not really hot. So I'm using the E60 Plus for scanning for the errors. So as I can see, there is already some few errors on. All these brown ones, that means something with the ECU with fault memory. I don't know what they are, but of course always scanning fast, then removing all errors and rescan it again. If the error will come back again, that means there is some fault on it. So let's first finish the code reading, the error codes, and then we'll see what's gonna come up. So it's a little bit slow for some reason, I don't know why, but then it's reading quite slow. So yeah, I'm not an expert, as I said in many other videos. I'm just an amateur engineering and mechanic, and all I'm doing with my own cars. I never do these things for the other cars. So, which means I'm taking all responsibility on myself on my own car. If something goes wrong, that's my fault, and that's it. So this is the free version of E60 Plus, and I'm using some low decant cable. I think it costs about 20 quid in eBay. Okay, it looks like shows some kind of identical good, whatever. I don't know what that message is. I'm not gonna pay much attention on that, but so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on display fault memory. So it shows some odometer difference. Maybe it's being clocked, I have no idea. Whatever. First, what I'm gonna do, I will clear out the fault memory. Do you really want to clear out the fault memory? Sure, I want. Yes. So it's gonna clean out, and then it's gonna rescan it again. So switch off the ignition and remove the ignition key from the remote control slot if present. So I'm switching off the engine, remove key. And what's gonna be next? Doesn't show anything. Okay, let's click cancel. Probably I shouldn't cancel it, I don't know, but okay. Let's go back on. Start the engine. So let's go back to start vehicle test. Yes. Scanning again for the error codes. All the green ones on control unit 3, that shows there is no faults on there. So as you can see, all of it is green. So for some reason I don't know what errors were before those, but all is green except one. So and I believe that's could be the reason why. So yeah, it's automatic limit control unit. So come on, open it. I believe it should open. No. Oh yeah, well we can go here as well. So yeah, there is the same, but nah. So basically you can see the part number is on there. Let's open the Google and have a look what part is that, but I believe that's, oh yeah, I got the internet connection off. So yeah, but I believe that's that's why it's not opening as well. But yeah, this I already read the forums before what's going on with them, and this automatic control unit, it's actually the small motor which controls the coolant flow, I think, through the climate control. So I bought it already earlier. It does look like this with a plug in the bottom, so it doesn't show anything on, but yeah, I believe this is the problem. So I will replace this one and then we'll rescan it again. So let's try to get some better. So okay, you can see it's in there. So easy, it's quite easy to change. All you have to do is just push out from the bottom or pull it out from the top as well. Can do get out from position. It's just being pushed in in some rubber holder. This is where it is. So as you can see on the bottom there is the plug. Of course, unplug that one. There's, as always, some pins for this one on the back. As you see, there is a pin for the locking pin for the plug. So of course you have to first release that one, otherwise you won't be able to get off them. So as you can see, it's unplugged. So the best way to do it is, if you don't want to lose much coolant, try to get above the coolant tank. Stupid zoom. So yeah, try to get above the coolant tank, then you will lose us quite less, not less, but quite, not that much, the coolant. So, and for the hose, of course, you can see there is as well the locking pins, one on there and one on the other side. So which needs to be released as well. I don't have any special tool for that, so I'm using just simple screwdriver. So I would suggest straight away, when you're removing those hoses, apply straight away to the other ones for the new unit. The way like that, you probably won't lose that much coolant. So now I unscrewed them. I put the air into the coolant tank to make sure that so as you can see, I don't know if it's so now, but as you can see, it's removed and the coolant is not coming out because the pipe, the hose level is much higher than the coolant tank. This one, new unit as well, you can apply it quite easy, and there is no wrong way to apply it, the hose, because there is the, as you can see, there is a locking, I don't know, pin or whatever it's called. It's just one way you can apply it. So put it back on, lock it, and do the same for the other hose as well. Yeah, the question is where I put the screwdriver. Here it is. So now we're going for the other hose. Come on. So the pin is lifted up. Now remove the pipe. Just the pin went back down. So the same do for the other hoses on. So find the locking spot. Job done. So new one is back on. Didn't lose much coolant. Some couple drops, as you can see, just a little bit wet in there, and that's it. It's not that much. So plug it back in on the bottom, then so plug it back on. Test it, it's locked properly. Little bit as always, little bit clean it up. And as you can see, that's easy job. Takes about 10 minutes to change, maybe even less. So let's get back and rescan the codes again. So I'm back in the car. Let's start it up. And let's try to rescan it again. So let's click on vehicle details and start vehicle test. Do we want to do the vehicle test? Of course. So as you can see, it's flashing in each section of the control unit 3, and that means it's scanning. So test is finished. What I need to do now, of course, go display memory fault. It still shows the same. That's how it's called actually properly. I don't remember, but it's auxiliary water pump. That's what I just been showing how to change it. So delete the code, and it's gonna rescan it again all. I believe so. It's code supposed to. So switch off the ignition, remove it from the control slot. So I believe it's deleted. Put back ignition. Ignition on. Of course, I always start the engine because I don't know how good the battery is. So, and let's go down again and start the vehicle test. Asking again, do you want a vehicle test? Yes. Let's have a look. And as you can see, this came up already, not anymore orange but green. As you can see, the control unit 3 is everything is green. That means no fault codes. That's probably was the issue for why it didn't came in the hot air in the other sections. So my engine is running. And yeah, now I checked all air, air from the other areas coming warm as well. So thanks for the watching, and see you in the next videos.